Now that the presidential candidate or the nominee has been disqualified, we are not here to change positions.
Electoral Commission of Ghana Trinitia Ekan EC a disqualified Ghana Freedom Party a GFP Mame Akua Donkor ne party oteye ana wodano ansana oba befrimu na yebekaya ye Mame Akua Donkor efrimi na akwada ne arahosem ye pam na GFP executives ene emumpanifo na directors eya nokro eyi Roman Fada na oye Akua Donkor ne running mate se ono ena sese na se Akua Donkor eni hodia only party ni na want to Akua Donkor the policies and the legacy ni so enfamano eni hu se nche bia Roman Fada any party executives ni be at the nominee forms equal EC office some kwa file as presidential candidate at the this year 2024 election at 7 December year ebebaso na EC eje forms ni we na ye twan ni mu ayo de beba na me no ka say Electoral Commission of Ghana managing mensa ede animu a press conference on wede nsembepre atodwa na omonsem ni bi sese no GFP disqualify no every presidential candidate race nim na ohwe ni nchiremo de ba so the forms no de buy no illegalities bi ewom na bre boy Mame Akua Donkor the political party no na ye ni din ewo press conference na se no omoma no a minute silence nsempi na so ena omodi etodwa Mivac travel saying na ye kan bom na December ya ko Dubai ya ko Christmas in Dubai between the 19th of December na return on the 26th of December to say uye group ankra woni nka na Christmas woni baby akwa ene Mivac eni enkomo na ebe ye ni je ye pa usika obetua no airport pickup eka no privacy ewo mobi sounds na hotel a obeda or return ticket Emirates na no eka ho ye beko Abu Dhabi City to Miracle Garden Dubai City to ye ni je ye pa openchemo pia betumi afra Mivac na ne omo edi ensel so Abra EC announce ye say GFP for disqualify when in some aka we chire say enekoi.
It's God's nation, it's his beloved nation, and we thank him for the gift of life. We declare that this is the day that he has made. We rejoice and we are glad in it. I'd like to welcome particularly the leaders of our political parties to this meeting. We are all aware of the unfortunate call to glory of the presidential candidate of the Ghana Freedom Party, Madam Akua Donkor, a dear friend of the Commission and a dear friend to myself. We are deeply saddened by her passing, and we pray that the good Lord will grant her rest eternal. It was just the other day that she was with us, I think at our last IPAC meeting, and therefore it is with sadness that we received news of her unfortunately passing away. On behalf of the Electoral Commission, we express our deepest condolences to her family and to the Ghana Freedom Party. Our like has gathered here to observe a minute silence in her honor.
This morning, we are here to inform you of the Commission's decision to maintain the presidential ballot as it is. As you may be aware, and I believe all of you have representatives in the printing houses, we are almost 90% complete with the printing of presidential ballots. And you are also aware that following the passing of Madam Akua Donkor, we requested the printing houses to cease printing until the law had taken its course. Now that the presidential candidate or the nominee has been disqualified, the Commission would like to inform you that the printing would proceed on the current ballot as is, in the interest of time and to save this country millions of cedis. And so our task here this morning is very simple. We are not here to change positions. We are not here to reballot. We are simply here to inform you that the Commission intends to notify our printing houses to proceed with the presidential ballot as is. It will proceed with the ballot that bears the name and the image of the name of the Ghana Freedom Party, their symbol, and the image of Madam Akua Donkor. And we believe that a lot of discussions and advertisements will go out to prevent the citizenry from voting for her. So this is our mission here this morning. It is a simple one, as I said. We'd like to thank you for your time and your attention. Thank you.
What is announcement we etoja na sesiade eni bre enaba Roman Fada ene GFP phone na ne sen ene mo befa news e defa no mo national organizer botwe ekasaye eden sen bitudwa wo kire mu se de isia kanode omuntumi en challenge no na omode omobekọ na the next 4 years to come no omasan so abebe na de dri de ye ma Akua Donkor na ye hu toto eni se don be anano eno ho dwuma no bekọ so e de aye ne nyia no emunsem eni
just arrange and do the congress after the burial and the final funeral rites when you get to the grave. So the 2027 is our decision now.
Okay, your full name and
Richard Boche, that is the national organizer of GFP.
Thank you very much for speaking to us. So that is Richard Boche. He described himself as the organizer of the GFP, which has since been disqualified by the Electoral Commission.
GFP, a Ghana Freedom Party, omo response omo dia pa afa AC a disqualify mo eho enie na ebeguso de ni ebede akire ni ahwe Roman Fada di party na ni mankasa ono so ne statement ode be ba bonte oso musen ono so betie directors no waje atum no matwa so Akua Donkor yie na 4 years to come no omo sense ababiem ana so bekoso atos ni na update be free oba e be sense so e da ba besomo EMS event and floral consult so we event bia no here event center papa de be your program na ye ni kan ye de amawa and EMS event any so so say naming ceremony birthday party wedding reception be ni na no omobe ma space a program no e be ye ni kan esan say your kitchen area your washroom so honom your indoor ni outdoor there your sign so e was standby generator in case you do light and program no e betumi akoso kama pa e dem abenhwe mu perform number say good screen so na ne omo eni nkoma na say check them out our Instagram EMS_event_GH no etimni penifo akasa e ho medin ene ka chire akosema kram nyina
spices nine hello mama spices are ebe mama aduane aye tasty appetizing and delicious
spices dey and no any Remy spices or dinu Remy dependable
Remy spices Remy
Pian papa, what the Remy spices you aduane a ema aduane ye fine. Kai say Remy spices dey so who you so a emfa spices fufuro bia amfra. Efri say Remy spices dey all dene ho. Flavors no so dey bebre. Chicken, goat, jollof, stew. Spices bia wo hwehwe no. Remy obi wo ho. Emfa aduane dey ento chacha. Perfect. Remy spices. Aduane ye dekeke. Kai say aduane bia ye de spices ye de. For Remy spices ye ni nyina.
Remy spices Remy.
FDA aje jodi nkrato yatum.